All right, so
we had 24 to start.
I'm here. I had to work this morning, but I'm here. And we're going to a moving sale. There's a moving sale right here. I don't know if it'll be good or not, but we'll check it out. It's getting a little later in the day, so.
I'm so glad you're back.
Yeah, I'm back. Guess who's back? Back
Wait,
back again.
yesterday you were Snoop and now you're M&M's.
How
much are you asking for the album?
Yeah, perfection. I remember that.
Some weird bean looking thing.
Yeah, honey, I think those would be great. See how much?
I don't know. What is it? Motorized something? Interviewer. Yeah.
You like that?
There's a thing inside that's like New York style and it's like weird.
I started the same thing.
Oh, these Pyrex? Yep. Yep. $1. Are they all Pyrex?
It says set.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that's $1 for all three.
So we'll grab that. Is there anything else you like? Is there anything in the garage or?
Could be.
What's that?
Oh, there's some.
Oh, more stuff inside. It's in here, just furniture.
Yeah. Look at that doll.
Yeah, that's something else, huh? Looks handmade. All right. Oh.
You said?
Yes.
Do you have a price?
This does not. No, I didn't know what you wanted for this, and then that's the only thing that's priced.
Doris, when you're done.
Doris, when you're done, we got carry this. Oh, her other half.
Oh, okay. Let's get
This is the only thing that has a price.
That's the price, that's $1. And I don't really know what that is. My son knows. It comes with a computer thing, but
okay.
you
And then
must
how much
know,
is it?
right?
You got that?
That's $1. Yeah, it's some sort of a tower.
Would you do like 5 for it all?
No, I gotta ask him.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Where is he?
That must not be hers.
No problem.
Doris, did you ask me the price?
He says it's worth $100, so we sell it for $10 to $15.
Okay, I do 10 on it.
Okay.
Okay.
10, 11, 12.
Do you have change for a 20 by any chance?
How much do you need?
$8.
I think I get rid of some of these ones. I wouldn't have such a big wad.
There you go. I'll take them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Want to recount that? Thank you. I guess you must know what
You got
it's
it.
for. Because
I think it's just a external power for
Yeah,
a computer.
right.
Yeah.
something about like a backup battery.
Yeah, backup battery, exactly. I can use that.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank
You have a good
Now
one.
you have to make pie.
Yes.
That's a cheapest pie place you
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Have a good one. This was our first yard sale as a married couple, wasn't it? That we went to together.
Yeah, there was no
Puppy. Hey, that's okay. Hey, buddy.
Come on, guys.
Look at him.
Clover.
Yeah, so we picked up that Pyrex. It's actually, there's a Pyrex like carrying case to keep things like warm, which is kind of nice.
Warm or cool, because it has a cooler in it.
Yeah, and then we also picked up these Pyrex plates. I honestly really don't know a whole lot about Pyrex. I know that it's money, it can be at least. It's a little higher quality sort of dinnerware or whatever you call it. Not dinnerware.
We got for $3.
So we got all that Pyrex stuff for $3.
I mean, $2.
Oh yeah, $2.
But we got 3 plates and
Yep.
the cooler thing.
And then I picked up that external power. It's like a backup battery for a computer or something. It looks to be in good condition, so I would assume that it works. I should have asked, but I don't see why it wouldn't. And I'll have to test it anyway, but the lady said that, oh yeah, my son says those are worth $100, which, yeah, I knew, but I comped it out before I picked it up, and they're selling used. They're selling used on eBay for, I don't know, 40 to 50-ish, so that's okay. I spent $10 on that, and that should sell fairly quickly, looking at sell-through rate at least. So I grabbed that for 10, a little more than I wanted to pay for it, but it's okay. It'll be super easy to ship too, because it's really not that big. It's a little bit heavy, but it's really not, it's not that big, so it'll be easy to list and ship, and so that's why I grabbed it. But anyway, we're heading off to another sale now. It is a big yard sale. It says there's electronics, PlayStation, were the two things that I saw, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna go to that one. But it's late in the day, so who knows what's left, because that place was pretty cleaned out. I bet that sale we just hit was really good earlier in the day. I have a feeling, because it was a good size one, but, and it was busy while we were there too, so it's definitely been picked through, but that's all right. Hi.
I just feel better that you're here now.
You don't like yard sailing alone?
No, especially when you're walking down to like people's houses and you can't see
Yeah,
the road,
a little sketchy.
and you're all by yourself.
Yeah, that's all right.
That's prickle bushes.
Oh, sorry, babe.
I either had to go through the tree or the prickle bush.
Oh.
But I thought that one was not a prickle bush.
Oh.
So I already hopped on the bush. Ooh, hiccups. Oh, apparently they're closed.
There we go. I know. I try.
What is this?
It's like a special edition Bruce Lee thing.
Aww. I was going to kick your butt.
Been busy today, or has it been a little slow?
Super busy when we opened.
Yep.
You know, a lot of the collectors coming out.
Right.
It's been kind of steady considering how far removed we are back here.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys are back here a little ways. Yeah.
So it's been all right. No complaints, great weather.
Yeah, really nice day.
You guys having a good day?
Oh, yeah. What's this here?
Those are light packs for professional photography.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, my wife used to be a professional photographer.
That's cool.
Yeah. And that's got some telephoto lenses, some
Yep.
wide angle, close up in the bag, the whole thing.
Cool. How much is that, the camera there?
For the camera,
Yeah.
I'm doing the camera and the whole bag for $25.
Okay.
Are you really Indiana Jones?
In a former life.
In a former life.
It's been long days.
Look at that thing.
Everybody needs a good whip in their lives.
I actually have one at home because I was Catwoman one year.
For Halloween, yeah.
That's so funny.
The dog is scared.
Yeah,
Very
no doubt.
scared.
No doubt.
Would you do 20 for the camera?
Sure.
Sure? Okay.
That's 3 generations. It's actually,
Is it?
yeah, it's pretty cool. My thank you. My
Yeah.
Grandfather was a photographer, so this is his light meter.
Oh, wow. That's really
You
cool.
probably could get a couple bucks for this thing, but the light meter, I don't know if it works anymore.
Yep.
Thomas Richards, and then he gave it to my dad. And
I really
so-
like these old cameras. They're neat.
they're beautiful and they work.
They really are.
Work great. So
Cool. Awesome. Thank you.
yeah, of course. Yeah, and everything works. I don't think I have any film in this thing. Let me just see really quick. Well, only way to find out. No, we're good. So
Cool.
the motor should be good to go, and now
Great.
it's yours.
Now it's mine. Thank you very much.
The next.
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome.
Well, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you guys have a great day.
You too. Do. You see any pictures
Difference
you like?
between men and boys.
Oh, the
Just
toy.
the-
Yeah, so we picked. Yeah, so we picked up that camera at that sale. Not a super valuable camera. It's a Konica. Really good condition, and he had like a bunch of accessories with it, other lenses. He had the case with it, all kinds of stuff. So I picked it up for 20. Like I said, nothing crazy.
And
I just
asking 25.
Yeah, asking 25. I just comped it out. There's one going on eBay, or one that's sold on eBay, just the body, like no lenses or anything. Just the body alone sold for 40. So, did okay. I probably won't separate it out. I'll probably just lot it all together, all the, accessories and the camera and everything with the case, and just throw it up on eBay. Maybe throw it up, I don't know, 75 bucks or something, plus shipping, and see what I can get for it. I'd be happy with that, so we'll see what happens, but yeah, there wasn't much at that sale at all other than that camera, really, at least from what I could see. If you guys saw anything, let me know, but there wasn't much there, really. And we asked him, like, I was like, hey, were you guys busy today? And he's like, yeah, collectors were here early, so he probably had some good stuff that we missed out on, but that's all right. It is what it is. You can only get what you can get, right? Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, guys, so that's gonna pretty much wrap this video up as far as garage sales go. This weekend was a little bit drier than normal as far as finding good stuff, honestly. But yeah, but that's all right. We'll hit it again this coming week, hopefully. And Pam got something new here. Look at this. Look at this. Am I gonna stay away from garage sales? Hell no. We got that cool sweatshirt from Justin over at RVA Flips. I actually got a t-shirt of that same exact graphic as well. But Pam wanted a hoodie. She's always cold, Pam. She's always a little chilly. Even in the summertime, she's a little chilly. But so she'll probably be wearing that this coming weekend to garage sales. Hopefully I get my shirt. I ordered the shirt shortly after I ordered that, so it should be coming in as well. So yeah, super awesome shirt. If anybody doesn't know Justin RVA Flips, awesome channel, go check him out. I'll put his channel link below. But he's got that's his slogan. He's making t-shirts and sweatshirts out of it. Oh,
Justin,
look, Kitan.
If you're watching this, Kitan wants one too. Yes.
Oh,
I told him.
you like it?
Right, tell him. Tell him you want one too.
All right, guys. So yeah, that should wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been really fun. And yeah, we'll have some more garage sale content coming out pretty soon, hopefully. And we what?
Also want to say thank you to everybody that thought I did a good job when it was all by myself.
Yes, thank you guys for the kind words to
I
Pam.
honestly didn't even want to watch it.
Because
My
she
friend
was-
said
she was-
it all me.
Yeah, she was super nervous about going out on her own, and but I think she did a great job. Everybody else said that she did a great job as well. So thank you guys for complimenting her. That really made her day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Once I figured out it wasn't a fail. Yes, you can sew it
Oh,
that
you did
in
good.
a second.
But all right, guys, have a great night, and we will see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Keep dreaming, you crazy little dreamers, and maybe you'll get a cat like this in the mail from Justin RVA Flips.